Excited ka na ba para sa company Christmas party mo? Here are my best tips to get ready for it. Number 1, pwede ka ba mag-sharon or mag-take out? Kahit gaano ka sobrang dami ang natirang pagkain, please do not take out food unless your boss or the party organizers basically insists or sila mismo ang magpresenta na, "Uy guys, sayang tong mga pagkain na to, please iuwi mo na siya." Number 2, gaano po bang beses kadami pwede akong bumalik sa pila sa buffet? Honestly speaking, ideally, you go there once. Now, it's very important to strategically think about the food that you're gonna put on your plate para hindi nakakahiya if babalik ka kasi meron kang hindi natikman. If talagang gustong-gusto mo at gutom na gutom ka pa, the best rule is that please wait and observe if lahat ng tao nakapila na at nakakuha na ng pagkain. Then you can go for your second round. Number 3, ang daming drinks. Pwede po ba ako mag-one to sawa, happy hour, at malasing? Remember, this is your office. You are going to see the people you're gonna be drinking with tomorrow. Please drink moderately because at the end of the day, it is important that you still stay professional and you understand your limits pagdating sa alcohol at hindi ka biglang magwalwal dahil busog na busog ka sa drinks. Number 4, para sa mga single and ready to mingle, pwede po ba akong lumandi sa Christmas party ko? If hindi mo planong seryosohin tong lalandiin mo, I suggest lumandi ka na lang sa labas. At least hindi mo pa siya makikita bukas. Number 5, how do I dress up for the party? I always say this, to always dress professionally and appropriately. Now, such a big word, right? At the end of the day, you understand and you're grown up to not be wearing anything that is 1, too revealing, 2, yung mukha kang walang budget kasi napagliitan mo na yung damit mo, and 3, you need to be very comfortable with what you're wearing. Otherwise, you lose out the fun and the confidence in what you're wearing.